Hello friends, I am Dr. Dhananjay Palke, Head of the Department of Chemistry and Analytical Chemistry. Today we are going to study the new concept for you in organic chemistry is conformation or conformational analysis. Conformations is a type of stereoisomerism. All of you are familiar with isomerism. Isomerism, that is the phenomena in which two or more organic compounds having same molecular formula may differ in. Isomerism is a phenomena in which two or more organic compound having same molecular formula but differ in either physical or chemical or both physical and chemical properties. These two different organic compounds are known as isomers of each other, and the phenomena is known as isomerism. Isomerism further divided to structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism, again, two or more organic compound having same molecular formula but differ in structural formulae are known as structural isomers of each other, and the phenomena is known as structural isomerism. Stereoisomerism is a type of isomerism in which two or more organic compound having same molecular formula, same structural formulae, but differ in the relative position of atom or a group of atom in the space. That is, arrangement of atom or a group of atom in the space is different, so that their properties are also different. Further, stereoisomerism is divided into two parts. One is conformational isomerism and another is configurational isomerism. Configurational isomers are arises by making and breaking of bond. That means one isomer, this is one isomer, and its another isomer is arises by making and breaking of bond between two atom or one atom and another group of atom is called as configurational isomerism. And conformational isomerism or conformational analysis is a type of stereoisomerism in which different isomers are arises by rotating carbon-carbon sigma bond like this, or by rotating carbon-carbon sigma bond merely. That means two different isomers or more isomers can be arised or can be formed by rotating carbon-carbon bond or sigma bond like this. Today we have to discuss different conformers of ethane molecule. Ethane, molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. That is, in ethane molecule, 2 carbon atom and 6 hydrogen atom. When we write the structure of ethane on two-dimensional plane or two-dimensional board, we write 2 carbon atom and 3 hydrogen atom to 1 carbon atom, 3 hydrogen atom to carbon number 2 or another carbon atom. That is 3 hydrogen atom attached to 1 carbon atom and 3 hydrogen atom attached to another carbon atom. But this structure in the two-dimensional plane or two-dimensional board, from this structure we did not get the idea of the arrangement of 6 hydrogen atom around carbon atom. But in conformational analysis, we get idea how 6 hydrogen atoms are arranged or in the space, how 6 hydrogen atom in the space around the carbon atom. This is the one conformation or one conformer of ethane. This is carbon 1 and this is carbon 2. Carbon 1 having 3 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, and carbon number 2 having 3 hydrogen, 1, 2 and 3. Or from this side 3 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And in this arrangement 3 hydrogen atom of carbon number 1 exactly lying the back side of hydrogen atom of carbon 2. Hydrogen 1 of carbon 1 lying exactly back side of the hydrogen 1 of carbon 2. Hydrogen number 2 of carbon number 1 lying exactly back side to the hydrogen number 2 of carbon number 2. Hydrogen number 3 of carbon number 1 lying exactly back side of the hydrogen number 3 of carbon number 2. This is one arrangement of ethane. Suppose this arrangement can be changed like this by rotating carbon-carbon sigma bond, and we get another arrangement here or like this. From this we can this is hydrogen number 1 of carbon number 1 lying in between 2 hydrogen atom of carbon number 2. Hydrogen number 1 of carbon number 1 lying exactly in between 2 hydrogen of carbon number 2. This is another form of ethane. That is, there are two forms of ethane. In one conformation, hydrogen atom of carbon number 1 is lying exactly backside, and in another form, one hydrogen of one carbon atom lying in between 2 hydrogen atom of carbon number 2, or like this again. Hydrogen number 2 of carbon number 1 lying in between hydrogen number 1 and 2 of carbon number 2, or this conformation is different than first conformation. And again we can arrange the ethane in which hydrogen number 2 lying exactly back side of hydrogen number 2 or 1 of the carbon number 2, or hydrogen number 3 of carbon number 1 lying exactly back side to the hydrogen number 1 of carbon number 2, or these 3 hydrogens are exactly back side, maybe hydrogen 1, 1, 2 or 3, or 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, any side, and these 3 forms are similar. Maybe hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2 or hydrogen 3, where one hydrogen of carbon number 1 lying exactly backside to the hydrogen atom of carbon number 2. 3 form, but these 3 forms are identical and equivalent, having the same energy, and this conformation is called as eclipsed conformation. Here, like eclipse, solar eclipse, our earth in between moon and sun, and earth is eclipsed by moon, and rays from sun cannot be reached at the or on the earth of where here hydrogen 1 of carbon number 1 lying exactly backside to the hydrogen 1 of carbon number 2. This form is known as eclipsed form, and another form where hydrogen 1 of carbon number 1 lying in between two hydrogen atom of carbon number 2. This form is called as staggered form. That is, there are two conformers of ethane. One is eclipsed conformer and another is staggered conformer. And here in eclipsed conformation or eclipsed form, two hydrogen atoms are closer to one another. Two hydrogen atoms are closer to one another, and there is repulsive interaction. Repulsive interaction, that is, this repulsion in between two hydrogen atom is more, and as repulsion increases, potential energy increases, and as potential energy increases, stability of molecule decreases in eclipsed form. In staggered form, hydrogen atom are slightly away from one another. Then eclipsed conformation. This hydrogen number 1 and this hydrogen number 1 of carbon 1 and 2 are away from one another than in eclipsed conformation. Therefore, here repulsive interaction is less. Repulsive interaction is less, that is, repulsion between two hydrogen is less, and as repulsion decreases, potential energy decreases. Repulsive interaction increases, repulsive interaction decreases, repulsion decreases, and potential energy decreases. And we know that the relation between stability and potential energy is inverse. As potential energy decreases, stability is increases. From this, we can say that stability of staggered form is more than stability of eclipsed form, or staggered form is more stable than eclipsed form.